4 non-negotiable principles every entrepreneur should adapt.
First thing that entrepreneurs must have is what is the purpose of the organization. People will work for the purpose. They'll not work for the salary.
How to find that purpose?
Okay. 95% customers will go. Why? Because the third point. So any customer needs only three things: appropriate cost, then he needs the quality, and the third thing where the biggest challenge comes is, you know, Manisha. So I told her, look, you got 3 years. Do all this that you're doing. After you're going for a holiday without your phone. Company band pad jayegi yaar. I said, you got to train them for all these things: the roles and responsibilities, authority, and accountability. It took 3 years, but third year we went for a holiday abroad without a phone, and the company ran. When you sense that, yaar, I am getting angry, I am getting stressed, you have 6 seconds to cut it. By stress goes.
How NLP can be applicable?
There's a hormone called cortisol, which is called as public health enemy number 1. So when you see a tiger, you need to do some actions. The heart rate which is going like this, 70 rupees in milliseconds. अब टाइगर तो 2 लाख पहले था, अभी हो सकता है some tension in the world. अगर दिन में ये 20 बार होने लगा, your heart is gone. Why do you get a heart attack at 20 and 30s now? How do you train the brain not to release cortisol? NLP. Leadership, knowledge and skills can be outsourced. Attitude cannot be outsourced. And when you say entrepreneurship, when you say SME, MSME, small, any, whether it's a micro industry to a large scale industry, everything is about attitude. System processes very easy to put in place. When you put 10 people together, how do you get them to work together as a team? That nobody teaches outside. Any entrepreneur, and I would request to all entrepreneurs, training should be your topmost priority. Now, many entrepreneurs think if I train, they leave. Of course, they will leave. When you train 10 people, 4 will leave, but 6 will remain, will do all that job which the 10 are supposed to do. And that's what you want.
Can you tell us a submarine mindset which every entrepreneur needs?
One is you cannot be the master of everything. So you need to have a trust in your team and you must be able to delegate. It is not a one-man army. In Mumbai, you have the US club. Ratan Tata would come with his dog. Every day he comes there. I said, how does he manage it here? So I asked him, how? He says, because I've got so many wonderful people working there. He says, if I start doing their job, then what's my role? Wherever you are, whether you are a micro industry, a small scale industry, a medium scale industry, you're the people, they know what the solution is. Do you create that trust between the two of you where whenever there is a problem, that guy comes to you, कि sir, ऐसा गदर हो गया है. Okay, solution क्या है? ये solution 2 मेरे पास है. कौन सा करूँ? तो आपको कौन सा लगता है अच्छा रहेगा? ये अच्छा कर यार. मेरा काम क्या है? कुछ नहीं. Now I can go and play golf. Your job is to find out कि भाई बच्चे कैसे हैं, क्या तकलीफ है, where can I help you. तो वो जी जान लगा कि आपके लिए काम करेंगे. For that one thing, he knows that you cannot help him. सिर्फ उसने पूछा मेरे को, and just that one listing, you will find builds the team, and that team works now. Which again, 90% of the entrepreneurs fail to do.
Hello everyone. Welcome to our Wicket Talks. Now we will continue with our conversation with Commander Girish Konkar. Hello sir.
Thank you. My pleasure.
4 non-negotiable principles every entrepreneur should adapt.
It starts off with your value system.
Right.
Okay, first thing that entrepreneurs must have and must communicate with the entire team is what is the purpose of the organization. People will work for the purpose. They'll not work for the salary. Salary is transactional.
Nobody knows about the purpose.
Nobody knows about the purpose. So you have to start with your purpose. Without that, then you're just transactional. कि पैसा दे रहा हो, तमाशा देखो. No industry will work. You will do well also. But you will सुबह 6 से रात को 10 बजे तक काम करना पड़ेगा. अगर if you need people who are passionate, who are inspired to work for you and organization, then your purpose must be very clear. And purpose generally सबका clear होना चाहिए. Very easy to find a purpose.
How to find that purpose?
Okay. Let's say.
Is there any online check sheet or anything available?
Okay, you have industry.
Yes.
Why do you have that industry? मकसद क्या उसका industry का?
Just.
No, what is the end result, end goal that your industry satisfies?
In what
is the society की need क्या satisfy करती है?
Right. So solving such some problems.
Solving some problems. What is that problem?
Making life easy of the people.
Perfect. Making life easy.
As we are into raw materials, so from raw materials, many things manufactured which makes
typically
people,
packaging, right? Yeah, I mean, I'm going because packaging is one element of it. So
packaging, furniture, everything. So
correct. So ultimately, whatever you do is ultimately making life either easier. Now, we are just doing a very quick one. You can take 1 hour to really articulate it. So just to give an example to people, I'm saying, so your purpose is saying you make life easy for people.
Right.
You can define it, make it a little bit better, simple. It be एकदम हिंदी मराठी मध्ये पाहिजे ते साध्या भाषेमध्ये, no complicated English words to be used. So like you know Pradhans, you know Rajan Plastics, right? So we had this conversation with them कि आपण काय करतो? What do we do? So it's a okay, so people will generally give the answer saying हम प्लास्टिक फिल्म बनाते हैं, कवर बनाते हैं. कवर किसके लिए बनाते हैं? कस्टमर जी नीड का है कि कस्टमर जी नीड है कि हिज प्रोडक्ट शुड बी सेफ एंड साउंड. So you're not just making plastic, you're ensuring the customer's product is safe and sound. Now, why do the customer want his so that he can give it to the entire society? Whatever that customer makes, packaging fish असेल, can food products असतात, it could be engineering products असतात. Why? So now your bigger purpose is, what do we do? Not plastics. We are solving a big need of society to keep society keeping that the end customers product safe.
राइट.
हाँ, अभी तुम काम करना पसंद करेगा? हाँ, मजा आएगा. क्या करते हो? कस्टमर का माल सेफ रखते हैं हम. दैट्स योर पर्पस. कि वी सो वेरी रफली जस्ट कि व्हाट आर यू डूइंग? कस्टमर का माल हम सेफ रखते हैं.
राइट.
कैसे करते हो? हाँ, उसके लिए प्लास्टिक बनाते हैं कि सेफ रहने के लिए. सो नाउ योर दैट बिकम्स योर ओवरआर्चिंग. व्हाई आर यू जॉइनिंग माय कंपनी? कि भाई हम क्या करते हैं? हम कस्टमर का प्रोडक्ट सेफ रखते हैं ताकि एक जगह से दूसरे को जाएगा तो खराब नहीं होगा, ताकि दुनिया को अच्छा साफ सुथरा. ऑल दैट नाउ यू स्टार्ट पुटिंग इट टुगेदर.
राइट.
So that purpose must be crystal clear and communicated every day. कि हम क्या करते हैं? कस्टमर का माल सेफ रखते हैं. ये हमारा काम है. Okay, then you have the vision, mission, वो सब स्टैंडर्ड थिंग आ जाता है. Then कैसे करते हैं? तो उसके लिए क्या होना चाहिए? So I said that so any customer needs only 3 things. Okay, customer needs appropriate cost, which you negotiate with the sales teams, or you negotiate कि भाई ये cost में. Then he needs the quality that you promise. So that is very critical कि ये quality का माल बनना चाहिए. There is no hanky-panky about it.
It's a mandatory requirement now.
This is the quality that you're saying.
Quality is mandatory.
Correct. And the third thing where the biggest challenge comes, in my experience of 21 years, is timely delivery. इसमें से कॉस्ट भी आप नेगोशिएट करते हो, ठीक है, वो एक्सेप्ट होता है कि ये हम नेगोशिएट किया कि दिस कॉस्ट इज अग्रीएबल, डन, डस्टेड. सेकंड इज क्वालिटी. यस, वी गिव द बेस्ट क्वालिटी. डू यू डिलीवर 1 day बिफोर टाइम? नाउ दिस, इफ यू गेट दिस ट्रायंगल राइट, customer will always stick with you. Customer has no need to go to somebody else. 95% customers will go. Why? Because of the third point, on time delivery.
हम लोगों को सिखाया गया है कि 2 ही चीजें मिल सकती है एक साथ. तीनों चीजें मांगना भी मत.
So it's like a fire triangle. You know, in fire they have a triangle. You know, if I remember correctly, fire के लिए, for any fire to exist, you need temperature, you need the fuel, and you need one more thing, कुछ ऐसे. अगर ये 3 चीजें हैं तो ही फायर होती है, नहीं तो फायर होती ही नहीं है. So how do you put out a fire? You starve oxygen. हाँ, ऑक्सीजन चाहिए उसको. करेक्ट. थर्ड वन. हाँ, सो एनी फायर टू पुट इट आउट, यू टू स्टॉप द ऑक्सीजन. बस ऑक्सीजन खत्म, फायर बंद, बुझ जाती है. या फ्यूल निकाल दो, फायर बुझ जाती है. टेम्परेचर कम कर दो, फायर बुझ जाती है. कस्टमर का यही है. कॉस्ट विच यू निगोशिएट, क्वालिटी ऑब्वियसली यू, ओके, यू हैव टू गिव. बीप कर रहा है इसको. यू हैव टू गिव द बेस्ट क्वालिटी. यू कांट डू एनी यार 90% चलेगा, उसको कस्टमर वापस नहीं आएगा. 100% क्वालिटी जो आपको प्रॉमिस किया है. थर्ड इज ऑन टाइम डिलीवरी. नाउ एक्सप्लेन दिस टू योर एंटायर टीम. सिट विद देम कि भैया. सो अगेन अनदर वेरी, आई ऑलवेज आस्क दिस क्वेश्चन टू एवरीबडी. ओके, हु पेज योर सैलरी? जस्ट गिव hypothetical now. Okay,
customer.
Who pays your salary?
My client.
Direct the company.
Company, correct. Now, if your company does, so because you gave customer an answer, you say client. If your company doesn't have clients, will they give you a salary?
No.
So who pays your salary? Now when you ask you got, let's say, a team of 10, 20, 100 people who are working for you. Ask the 100 people. They'll all say either my boss pays my salary, finance pays my salary. Some will say customer. But it is a customer who pays your salary. अगर customer नहीं है तो 2 महीना तनख्वाह मिलेगी आपको बाय पेइंग, बाय द डायरेक्टर विल गेट अ लोन एंड पे योर सैलरी. तीसरे महीने बोलेगा यार थैंक यू, कंपनी बंद हो गई अपनी. So it's a customer. So you have to train this, tell this to your entire team regularly.
Right.
People come and go. So you have to be, यार तुम्हारी सैलरी मैं देता नहीं हूँ, कस्टमर सैलरी देता है. तो कस्टमर को क्या चाहिए? ऑन टाइम डिलीवरी चाहिए. So in Rajan Plastics, which we've instituted something called this I learned again from the armed forces, from the submarine. You have a D-1 board. which means when you commit to a customer कि I will give you the material let's say on 10th of December, तुम्हारे यहाँ पे 9 दिसंबर को सब कुछ तैयार होना चाहिए. Now you work backwards कि अगर मुझे 9 दिसंबर को माल तैयार होना चाहिए
तो आगे
आपका
क्या पीछे चाहिए?
माल रेडी होना चाहिए लेट्स से 5 दिसंबर को. उसके बाद में कुछ इंस्पेक्शन होगा, कुछ होगा, फिर इनवॉइसिंग होगा 9 तारीख को. 10 तारीख को सुबह आपके यहाँ से 9 बजे गाड़ी आउट ऑफ द गेट. Once you do that, things go on time.
Exactly.
It takes a year to get this thing happening, to get it trained so well. So then comes that commitment कि बोल दिया मतलब बोल दिया, भीष्म प्रतिज्ञा कि once you say something, you do it. There is integrity, that must be very high. So value system जो बोलते हैं उसको, वो आपको इंस्टिल करनी पड़ेगी टीम में. Other value system which companies have got all useless. I tell them in front of when I have the program also. A lot of companies have this purpose,
Core
vision,
values.
mission, as all is bump. It's very useless. कोई इसका मतलब नहीं है. जब तक तुम्हारा if you are the guy on the gate, the चौकीदार doesn't know all this ना, इसका कोई मतलब नहीं. फाड़ कर फेंक दो इसको. Make it a simple language. 2-3 शब्द में. Commitment. Value system is commitment. बोल दिया मतलब बोल दिया. It could be internal customer. It could be external customer. But don't worry, मैं हूँ ना. Instill that with your this thing, people will reciprocate you.
All right.
Then integrity, honesty, ethics, values, moral recognition, all this is simple. As a leader, the best thing is catch people doing good. What do we normally do?
Catch people
Doing
wrong.
bad. Wrong. So I say, this they do wrong. So I always tell you in my program, I was telling you, ऐसे छुप जाओ अपने केबिन में और देखो कौन अच्छा काम कर रहा है. जैसे कि you catch somebody doing well ना कि यार काम अच्छा किया इसने, हाँ, सबको बुलाओ चाय के लिए. यार today I saw so and so doing fantastic, well done यार, good job, nice, keep it up. You don't need cash awards. You don't need big certificates. You don't need anything. You just need a thap on the back to saying, यार so and so person, very good job यार, अच्छा काम किया. That person internally says, यार my boss is the greatest boss on earth. यार.
Exactly.
Because सबके सामने उसने मेरे को, and maybe when he does something bad, उसको खोपचे में ले लो,
हाँ.
कमरे में बुलाओ, then उसको गालियाँ निकालो अंदर.
And even while delivering that, I heard about the sandwich method.
हाँ. What is that?
You sandwich the bad thing in between the good
हाँ,
things.
correct. So when you tell him 4 times good, well done, पांचवी बार वो गदर करेगा यार. Nobody is perfect. कुछ गदर होता है उससे, उसको अंदर बुलाओ, यार this is not the way to do it. You should, he says, sorry sir, फिर से नहीं होगा मेरे से. And he will work far better now to ensure he doesn't commit a mistake. वो गलती से भी नहीं करेगा. क्योंकि उसे वो सब चाहते हैं कि यार my boss should say good to me. Nobody wants a bad boss.
Exactly.
But 90% bosses will be looking at किसको पकड़ो आज में. They don't feel satisfied कि अगर किसको पकड़ा नहीं मैंने, सब ठीक चल रहा है, ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है? अरे नहीं यार, होता है. So publicly always praise in public,
Yes.
rebuke in private.
हाँ.
But first praise. Like I said, 5 बार praise करो, फिर एक बार कुछ गदर हो गया तो उसको ना जूते निकाल, पैंट उतार दो उसके. He'll accept it. वो नहीं छोड़ेगा तुमको. He will still stick with you, saying, no, my boss is good. गलती मैंने की तो सजा मिलेगी यार. Everyone knows that. Who doesn't? So that, I think, should, if entrepreneurs can do that, public praise and rebuke in private.
So in company, what are the importance of SOPs? You're also helping
Yes.
people to implement the
yeah.
system.
Yes.
So what are the importance of SOPs and everything?
Very important.
And why, where SOPs or the system can be implemented?
So I think many companies nowadays undergo this ISOs.
Yeah.
Now, ISOs, one requirement of ISO is that you must have SOPs. And many people feel that it's a big burden, it's a waste of time.
Consultant ही आके SOP करके
हाँ.
चिपका जाता है.
Now, it requires a lot of training. SOP is basically what I'm going to do. What anybody is going to do is an SOP. उसको जब लिखते हो आप तो वो SOP बन गया.
बराबर.
So you tell that person कि यार तुम्हारा ये काम है, जब मेरे को एक कागज पे लिख के लेके आओ, बन गया SOP आपका कि ये स्टेप है, ये स्टेप है, ये स्टेप है, ये स्टेप है, SOP बन गया. Once it is there, it has to be relentlessly followed. And not only now to get those SOPs working, and there are three things which are required for any entrepreneur to pass on to his team. One is roles must be very clear. Kiska kya काम है. You must also have a overlapping of roles.
Okay.
Responsibilities must be crystal. While I'm saying overlapping, but responsibility is only single.
Right.
So you must know इसका जवाबदारी कौन है. That's what SOP will tell you कि this person is responsible for this job. I am not responsible. You are responsible. That must be known to everybody कि ये तुम्हारी जिम्मेदारी है. That's responsibility, role and responsibility. Then you must give that person the authority. जवाबदारी तो दिया, authority मेरे पास. Finished. Nothing will happen. Then I'll be from morning 6 till night 10 o'clock. So you must also devolve your authority. Say you are independently now responsible to take decisions on your own within the boundaries of your roles and responsibilities. I have trained you. These are roles and responsibilities. Do it. I have given you the authority to do it. And the third is accountability. You are accountable for this SOP to happen. Now it's crystal clear. This is how it's to be done. Simple. You know it. जवाबदारी किसकी? मतलब तुम्हारी. अथॉरिटी है तुम्हारे को ये करने के लिए. क्या क्या चाहिए उसके लिए? पैसा चाहिए, मैन पावर चाहिए, मटेरियल चाहिए, इक्विपमेंट चाहिए, सब तुमको देता हूँ मैं. जो भी रिक्वायर्ड है, एवरीथिंग इज गिवन टू यू. डन. नाउ यूर ऑल्सो अकाउंटेबल. दे विल वर्क. प्रॉब्लम दैट कम्स इन 90% of this thing, they'll give the responsibility. तुम्हारी जिम्मेदारी है. अथॉरिटी मेरे पास है. एवरी डे हैज टू कम टू मी कि सर ये करूँ, सर ये करूँ, सर ये करूँ. क्यों आते हो मेरे पास यार? Unless there's a problem, come to me. Otherwise, you are in.
Exactly.
I can now go for a holiday here. Because till then, I cannot go for a holiday. So I will tell you this live example. You know Manisha,
Yes.
right? She took over in 2013, 12 years ago now, right? Housewife, taking over a complete business. So I told her, look, you got 3 years. Do all this that you're doing. After that, we're going for a holiday without your phone. For a businessman without a phone, company बंद पड़ जाएगी यार. I said no. I said you got to train them for all these things, roles and responsibilities, authority उनको दो. You might keep the financial authority beyond a certain level with you. Fair enough. That's fine. Otherwise, and accountability. You are accountable for production. You're accountable for with this D-1 process. कि भाई सुबह 9 बजे गाड़ी रोड होके जानी चाहिए. उसका रिकॉर्ड रखो. Give the watchman the role, saying your job to report to me. अगर जाती नहीं है टाइम पे गाड़ी तो he will call up कि आज गाड़ी लेट गई. तो okay, now find out why it went late. Was there a problem with material? Was there a problem with this? That can be found out. It took 3 years. I'm not saying it happens overnight. But 3rd year, we went for a holiday abroad without the phone. And the company ran. Only then will you have free time. Otherwise,
Exactly.
entrepreneur सुबह 6 से रात को 10 बजे तक की लोग काम नहीं करते. मुझे ही सब करना पड़ता है. मेरे बिना कंपनी चलेगी कैसे? That's the biggest lie that an entrepreneur lives by.
Even the implementation is a very hard part.
Yeah.
It's a मतलब implement होने के बाद it has to be run accordingly.
Yes. So role, responsibility, authority and accountability. And then SOP.
Right.
और क्या चाहिए? SOP is giving you exactly step by step क्या करना है. He is already a trained person in that role, whatever it is. अभी उसको जवाबदारी दिया है, अथॉरिटी दिया, तुमको क्या चाहिए, इसके लिए पैसे चाहिए, चल भाई तुमको 10,000 चाहिए, 10,000 रुपये दिया. They don't want 10 crores. It might require authority to spend 1,000 rupees. कि मेरे को स्क्रू लाना है, कि मेरे को स्पैनर लाना है, कुछ उतना ही होता है at that level. Well, ऐसे में कि मेरे को 2 लाख रुपया दे दो तो काम करूंगा मैं. नहीं, वो 10,000 5,000 का होता है. बट अगर वो स्क्रू लाना है तो बॉस के पास जाओ, बॉस स्क्रू लाना है 100 रुपया दो. Obviously, the boss will have no other work to do here. He has nothing to look up. वो देखा भी नहीं, वो he'll be neck deep into the business. So you can literally have. I always tell that if you're working beyond your normal working hours, you are inefficient. You're completely useless as an entrepreneur. गधा मजदूरी काम करते हो. is what I always tell publicly to them also. Yeah, you are useless. Yeah, that means you are inefficient. Yeah, your team is highly efficient. You are inefficient if you can't delegate, you can't trust the people, you can't give them authority, responsibility, accountability. क्या कर रहे हो जिंदगी में यार? जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा.
And in November first week only I have attended one program. तो वो अटेंड किया था तो उन्होंने वही पूछा कि क्या आप कल सुबह फोन बाजू घर पे रख के 6 महीने के लिए छुट्टी पे जा सकते ऑल ऑफ सडन.
Correct.
जा सकते हो तो घर जाओ वरना यहीं पे बैठो.
Absolutely, absolutely. Like I said, Ratan Tata was the inspiration who taught me all these things. That on the golf course.
On the golf course.
I was sitting there.
So-
How do you handle 80 companies?
Oh, that's a different level.
Yeah, but that works at where you have 10 people under you also. The principles remain the same. They don't change.
Right. You're also a NLP practitioner.
Yes.
So, how NLP can be applicable and must or should do?
Okay, NLP means neuro-linguistic programming.
Yeah.
So, our brain is full of neurons. Neurons are the cells which
Yes.
operate in the brain. And we are, there are two things that the human brain does, right? There are two minds. Which are they?
Yeah.
Conscious,
Posit-
subconscious.
yes.
No, conscious, subconscious.
Conscious,
Which is more powerful?
subconscious.
Subconscious. How much more powerful?
Don't know.
95%.
Okay.
So 95% we operate subconsciously without thinking. That's
Yeah.
subconscious. Only 5% we operate by conscious thinking. Okay. And this has been programmed into us.
Okay.
So, and this programming happens till the age of 9, 8 to 9. So that means from birth till age of 9, the child is only doing is observing everything, experiencing the world around him, and the brain's neural systems are getting wired particularly as per that. The subconscious mind goes only by two things. Is this good for me? Is this bad for me? That's it. It's designed for 2 lakh saal pehle usne brain was designed for survival. So it says it's good for me, bad for me. If it's good for me, do something, bad for me, do something. The body. That's it. That's subconscious mind. It works autonomously without having to control everything. The conscious mind started developing maybe about 50,000 years ago, okay, which is the thinking brain, analyzing brain. That starts to develop actually after the age of 8. So 8 to 21, 20 is developing. Now, NLP does nothing else but once the brain is made, it's programmed now. It's like a software program. Input this, output this. Input this, output this. And at the same time, we are also emotional beings. We run heavily on emotions. Mankind is completely emotional. And there are some basic critical emotions. There are derived emotions from that. And there are more than, if you Google it, there are 4,000 emotions. Now, how do you control 4,000? So there's what is called as emotional intelligence, and there's being emotional. Do you get angry?
Yes.
Do you get stressed?
Yes.
Frustration?
Yes.
Anxiety?
Everything.
Now, all these are emotional states, right? Do you get angry because you want to get angry, or does anger just happen?
Anger just happened.
Happens. Do you get stressed because you want to get stressed, or is it
No,
just
it happened.
right? Okay, now I don't have the time to go through the full program over here. All these are, you can control the anger. If you're taught, if you learn, given a situation, I should get angry, I should stay calm. It's in your choice. So one of the best things that you can know about this is Stephen Covey's 7 Habits Highly Effective.
Yeah.
In that he gives the word response. See, a tiger, if it is hungry, will kill. A snake, if you disturb it, will turn around and bite you. The tiger does not have the ability, the potential, the capability to say, आज मैं भूखा रहता हूँ, आज मैं उपवास करता हूँ. उसके पास काबिलियत ही नहीं है. वो स्नेक के पास में काबिलियत ही नहीं है कि यार दोबारा मुझे ये हरकत मत करना, आज तक मैं बख्श देता हूँ. You would disturb him, he'll bite you. Animals go by a program. They go by instinct. The ability to stay hungry, आज मैं उपवास करता हूँ, ability to say यार आज मैं तेरे को छोड़ दे रहा हूँ, is only with you and me. That's the biggest difference in the animal kingdom and us. And that is the power of choice.
Right.
I choose to get angry. Fair enough. That's my choice now. You'll never have stress. Whether to take, given a situation, whether I should take stress or not to take stress is my choice. But whether to get angry or not, my choice. Whether to get anxious or not, my choice. Can I be chilled? कितना भी बारिश हो, धूप हो, ठंड हो, chill. It's a choice. Just that nobody taught us. बचपन से आज तक किसी ने सिखाया नहीं कि भाई कैसे चॉइस करें हम. NLP teaches you that.
Okay.
That's the cause. And there are many other techniques also in that nowadays. I do something called a... So, we are made of cells. And you know how many cells there are? Biology class se raha ho tumhari. So, there are 50 trillion cells.
Right.
That's a massive number. That's 5 plus 17 zeros. इतने cells अपने body में हैं. Okay, we talk of teamwork वगैरह अगर हम बात करते हैं. That,
Right.
You know what's the biggest teamwork in the world?
Huh.
50
It's
trillion
50
cells,
trillion cells.
identical cells. Every cell that the human body has got something called as systems. Which systems do you know of? अपने systems.
Nahin.
Systems, normal systems.
But digestive system,
Perfect.
then the respiratory
Perfect.
systems, then
Circulatory system.
circulatory,
Nervous
blood
system.
Yes.
So that 12 systems है अपने
Right.
body में. Okay.
Okay.
Like digestive, nervous,
Everything.
sensory system, all that stuff. 12. Every cell has got these same 12 systems. Every cell. 50 trillion cells have got the same systems. 50 trillion cells has got a brain. Not just one brain. 50 trillion brains.
Oh.
Okay. Every cell has an emotion. 50 trillion emotions. If they are aligned, you have power. If they are not aligned, you get disease. Simple.
Oh.
Now, how do you get them to align?
That's direct.
किसने सिखाया नहीं हमको.
नहीं.
हम तो ऐसे धक्के खा के जी रहे हैं, है ना. सुबह उठो, काम पे जाओ, थक जाओ, घर आ जाओ, सो जाओ. नेक्स्ट डे फिर उठो, काम पे जाओ, थक जाओ, घर आ जाओ, सो जाओ. और चक्की पीसिंग एंड पीसिंग एंड पीसिंग एंड पीसिंग क्यों कर रहे हो पे किसी को पता नहीं है.
Exactly.
So if I get trained to get my whole body into alignment, I get huge power now. Now I can choose कि भाई situation is demand that I should get angry. Because there is a chemical called cortisol. Okay, we are again
Yeah.
chemical body. Which
Yes.
chemicals do you know of? चलो भैया एक और क्लास लेते हैं. Which chemicals do you know of? It's okay.
Yeah.
I'm not getting bored.
It's a hydrochloric acid and
No. Body chemicals.
Yeah, that's
Hormones.
Acid.
We are hormonal body, right?
Yeah.
Which hormones do you know of?
I'm totally blank with the biology.
Okay, you heard of adrenaline?
Yeah.
Adrenaline is an action hormone. अगर adrenaline hormone है तो आप काम करोगे, अगर नहीं है तो बैठे रहोगे. Simple.
Right.
Plain and simple. There are 50 hormones. Every hormone has got something. So there's a hormone called cortisol.
Yeah.
It is called as public health enemy number 1. Because
That
that is one
stress hormone.
Huh?
That is the stress hormone.
Wrong
which
name.
I have.
But it is survival hormone.
Okay.
Cortisol is meant for survival.
Okay.
Okay, so when you see a tiger, you need to do some actions. Tiger है तो you can't fight a tiger. आपको अगर भागना ही है, okay, you only run. And how fast should you run?
Not more than tiger.
No, tiger is very fast. How fast should you run? Or how fast should I run? Faster than you.
Faster than.
Correct. If I run faster than you, tiger आपको खाएगा, मेरे को नहीं खाएगा.
Exactly.
So, but to give that command saying tiger है भाग, that brain has to take instant decision saying tiger run. It doesn't have time to think यार ये tiger भूखा है क्या, मेरे पीछे आएगा क्या. वक्त नहीं है सोचने के लिए. So you have to run, and that cortisol is released by the brain based on a previous program. And I said previous program कि this is danger, take action. So cortisol released takak into the body. Cortisol says get your muscles tight because भागने के लिए muscles चाहिए. तो it's a run. Milliseconds में the brain everything requires oxygen because all cells require oxygen. So the brain gives this cortisol gives a command to the heart saying pump because oxygen कहाँ से आएगा? Blood से. The heart rate which is going like this 72 beats tak 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 in milliseconds. Because you saw a tiger. अभी टाइगर तो 2 लाख पहले था. अभी हो सकता है some tension in the work. फोन बच गया. कस्टमर का फोन शिट क्या गदर हो गया. बॉस का फोन मर गए. टक 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 टक. अगर दिन में ये 20 बार होने लगा, your heart is gone.
Absolutely.
Why do you get a heart attack at 20 and 30s now?
One
Because
of the things.
cortisol instant release hota hai, and there are multiple things will happen. Right up to the worst is it kills your stress immunity. It kills immunity. Why? Because it says, yeah, tiger is more important than virus and bacteria. Immune system requires huge amount of energy.
Right.
So brain now tells through the cortisol saying shut down the immune system. Because ये टाइगर से लड़ना है. अब टाइगर तो गया, अभी है कॉकरोच या बॉस का फोन या ट्रैफिक या some email has come saying something has happened or money is not coming to the bank. Shit, money is not come or bounce check हो गया किसी का कस्टमर का. Even that can cause the same reaction. Immunity is stuck. अगर ये दिन में आपको 20-40 बार हो रहा है, जैसे हवा बदलती है, body goes for a 6, you get viral fever, you get this. क्यों? Because your immunity has gone down. The first thing, acidity, 100% stress.
Yes.
Why? Because the moment the brain says, oh my God, tuck, 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 brain says to the body, saying, you just had a good meal, let's say. Brain says, shut. Now is not the time to digest the meal. Now is the time to fight the tiger or the phone call or the customer call or the boss's call. Right? The food that you've eaten goes bad. Acidity. Instant. अगर ये दिन में 20 बार हो रहा है तो your life is over ना. Now, how do you train the brain not to release cortisol? You can train the brain. NLP. Or there are many other techniques now which are involved in this. NLP is there, EFT is there.
Yeah, EFT.
There's so many techniques are there by which you can train the brain not to get stress. So stress can be completely under your control. कितना भी बारिश हो, कितना भी धूप हो, कितना से ठीक है. Life is tough. जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा. Let's enjoy life. It gives you more power to tackle the situation that is there. And as an entrepreneur, if I learn these techniques, life changes dramatically.
You also teach NLP.
Yes.
Okay.
I teach all these techniques. So very simple techniques are there. You heard of affirmations?
Yes.
Very powerful. You heard of visualization?
Yes.
Very powerful. That can train the entire body to be
We'll take another episode on this. It's a manifestation is a totally a different subject. And
Very
it's,
powerful, and it works. It works. It's very powerful.
It's really hot today.
Yeah, it works.
Many coaches are coming with their manifestations and everything.
Yes. Emotional intelligence. That's emotional intelligence. कि भाई, in
Yes.
this situation, what emotion should I display? Nobody taught us this. So we become emotional. कि we धक्के खा के सीखते हैं लोग.
Belief system
Yeah.
is the key.
Yes. So you can change your belief system completely. Once you change your belief system, you can, everything opens up for you.
Yeah.
And as an entrepreneur, you must have a very strong belief system that, that becomes your cornerstone.
Right.
उससे बाद में आप बढ़िया कर सकते हो. अगर belief ही नहीं है तो फिर you are going to be finished. You're going to be stressed. And then the stress diseases, all are stress diseases.
Yes.
Acidity, even your diabetes is 100% stress disease.
Absolutely.
Diabetes is not genetic. Our parents are not to be blamed for if anybody get diabetes. Your 100% is your stress which you take. 100%. Only type 1 could be genetic, but type 2 diabetes is 100% stress disease. So everything else is cardiac arrest. All is linked to stress.
Yes.
So earlier the entrepreneur learns how to handle stress. Situation is not in our control. So I always give a simple, what do you call that? Equation. S plus R is equal to O. Where S is a situation. Never in our control. There are always 100 things happening that are there in the situation. What do you think is R?
The reaction is in our
Reaction is instantaneous. That means subconscious, no control. Response.
Right.
Okay. So how to give a response? That is where there's a gap comes now. Reaction means subconscious mind. Tiger, hungry, kill. Snake, disturbed, bite. That's reaction. Response means, should I bite? हाँ, अगर bite करना तो जरूर करो यार. Nothing. You will not release cortisol. And therefore no stress. You can get
Wait,
angry. Yes.
think.
So simplest techniques, when a person is angry, what is the easiest thing that you tell him to calm down his anger?
Count 1 to 10.
Perfect. Easiest thing, count 1 to 10. What actually is happening in that 1 to 10? Okay.
Nothing.
No. The brain is going berserk. Some gadar has happened. Something should not happen has happened, right? The brain is saying, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. So you're getting angry. You're saying, count 1 to 10. Okay, 1, Just count
He deep
2.
breathes.
What
He
you're
start
doing?
deep
Okay,
breathing.
now the thing is, the brain is the mind. The mind is either the past or the future. So the brain is right now thinking, this gadar has happened. Abhi iska ye hoga, wo hoga. Oh my God, kya karu main? When you count 1 to 10, the brain shifts to counting. So now the whole brain is going to 1, 2, count 3. What happens? Tiger is gone. Now you're
Yes.
focused on the 1, 2, 3, 4,
1,
5,
2,
6,
3.
10. Instantly, milliseconds, the heart rate comes up, stress will come down. Now the brain, the conscious brain, what happens is the subconscious brain takes 50 milliseconds to take a decision. The conscious brain takes 250 milliseconds, so it's 5 times slower. But can take analyze situation. So it's analyzing. Okay, ये गदर हुआ है, आग लगी है, एक्सीडेंट हुआ है, कुछ भी हुआ है, इसका नतीजा क्या होगा, क्या करना पड़ेगा. It's analyzing in the background. But your subconscious brain has taken, oh my God. So now it's gone. Now when you pause this by taking deep breath, brain is in the present moment, focusing on the breathing pattern. It's disregarded that subconscious mind is thinking, okay, ये हुआ. After 250 milliseconds, आपको आंसर मिलेगा कुछ ना कुछ. But heart is here now.
That is yeah.
No stress.
No stress.
The probability that you can tackle the situation is far higher. Okay, that is one is deep breathing. What else? The simple nuske hai. Drink water.
Drink water.
Drink water. My eyes go down. I look at the glass. I'm not thinking now the gadar happening around.
Okay.
Okay.
Distract
the brain
your-
shifts. Yes. The brain instantly shifts from the gadar happening around into the water, into this. Take a deep, आराम से पानी पिए. जल्दबाजी मत कर. आराम से पानी पी. Take a deep breath. One more glass. Pura glass pee. Instantly, the heart which was going duck comes to this.
So for
No stress.
this generation, we can say, okay, open your phone and look for the Instagram reels.
The problem with that again, that release another chemical, yaar. Instagram will release dopamine. Dopamine gives you a different level of stress again. So वो भी गदर है. So anyway, there are so many other techniques which are there, but nobody taught us this, yaar. हम करते हैं by sheer what do you call that, unconsciously.
Unconsciously.
But if I consciously know, so when you get emotional, you have 6 seconds to cut your emotion. Okay.
Right.
After that 6 seconds, that becomes a feeling. Feeling will last you for about 20 minutes, half an hour. Then becomes a mood. अगर आप बुरे मूड में चले गए फिर 2-3 दिन लगते हैं मूड से बाहर आने के लिए, राइट? सो आपका 6 सेकंड है. When you
Control
यार,
करने के लिए.
when you sense कि यार I am getting angry, I am getting stressed, you have 6 seconds to cut it by water, count 1 to 10, deep breathing. So you just sit and count 1 to 10 inside. What are you doing? The brain is shifting. Suddenly वो cortisol से tuck. Stress goes. And so simple, yeah. And
Then you can-
entrepreneurs must know this. Because yes, situation goes beyond control, yeah. I mean, some gadar happens somewhere, something goes wrong somewhere. There could be many things that can go wrong.
Right.
If every time I'm going to release cortisol, by 40 I'm going to get a heart attack, yeah. And क्या जिंदगी, what life is there after that, yeah? है ना?
Exactly.
So you should train the body to ensure that, take on tough lives. I mean, bigger your business becomes, the challenges become even more and more.
Exactly.
How will you handle those challenges without getting stressed? These are simple techniques.
Simple thing. So we will take a small rapid fire round.
Pleasure.
Okay. I think we have to split this episode, but also we'll do another episode on your NLP and other skills.
Yeah, it'll be a pleasure anytime.
One naval habit every entrepreneur should have.
Delegation.
Leadership born or made.
Made.
One book that you suggest.
Well, there are many, but one, then 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. Stephen Covey.
Your definition as a discipline in one line.
बोल दिया मतलब बोल दिया.
Commitment.
Commitment.
That's it.
तो
Salman
खुद को भी हो सकती है. हाँ, एक बार कमिटमेंट करे तो कर दो, फिर तो मैं अपनी आपकी भी नहीं सुनता हूँ.
Okay. Toughest challenge you faced in Navy.
Hardcore submariner.
Onshore, offshore.
Okay,
both.
so hardcore submariner for 17 years, commanded a submarine, then I was posted as Joint Director Naval Intelligence. I had no clue how to do that job. So I learned, it took a month or two to learn what intelligence gathering is all about. And so that I would say was a toughest
So another, I got a subject, business intelligence.
business.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, and offshore, under the sea.
60 days underwater, nothing happens at times, dead calm. What do you do? and
It's
then
really
suddenly everything goes,
challenging.
and then suddenly everything goes berserk. So you have to switch roles in milliseconds.
Any one thing SME or entrepreneur should stop immediately doing.
Stop immediately from doing. Don't do everything yourself.
Okay.
You must learn to give responsibility, authority, accountability, delegate. Only then can you really grow.
Okay. Team or one person intelligence.
100% team.
Okay. So there is no one man army exists.
No. You
It's
can
a
do
myth.
great wonders, but you'll be...
It's a myth.
It's a myth. You will not have family
You can't grow.
life. You'll not have...
You will not grow.
You'll not grow.
Okay. Your favorite quote on leadership.
Favorite quote on leadership? Nothing comes to my mind just now, immediately. I'm not getting any quote as such.
Okay, whatever you.
नहीं सो कोट याद नहीं आ रहा है कि ऐसा कोट क्या पता है लीडरशिप के बारे में I would say leadership is a team effort.
Okay.
That's what I can think of right now.
Okay. Any message for new people for startup?
लगे रहो मुन्ना भाई. It's a great thing. I mean, today's generation, I feel, is amazing when they become startups or start their own businesses or whatever. They're fantastic. I mean, the whole world runs because of the Gen Z and now the Gen
Yeah.
Alpha and Beta and all that stuff. They're the future. All they need is a little bit of discipline into them. And they're wonderful guys. I mean, that's why my experiences, they are phenomenal. They're highly committed to their tasks, learn to work as a team together, and you will do wonders,
Yes.
So it's amazing. I mean, I'm really enjoying with the youngsters and I get inspiration from them, seeing their energy. When I see, when I was maybe 17, 18, we had no clue,
Yeah.
तो ऐसे ही जीते थे. But today's youngsters are high. They know what's to be done, what is required for them. They're amazing,
So what do you feel mandatory defense training has to be there?
I don't think it will work. I mean, NCC is very good, but I won't say mandatory. Reason being, why I'm not saying mandatory, because for a government to get that thing going is a
it's a
Herculean
huge
task.
cost.
So very easy to say yes, you must follow mandatory, but वो करने के लिए बहुत government के पास
huge
उतना. But yes, definitely will help if you join NCC, all that stuff. It teaches you a lot about life,
Yeah.
और जितना exposure NCC can give you ना, outside नहीं मिलता है वो. You need a lot of money for that. I mean, I was a naval NCC, but I know many of my friends were Air Force NCC. They were glider pilots, in 11th standard. I also was a glider pilot in 11th standard, but I got a scholarship. But NCC, they teach you to fly a plane, You're a 11th standard, 12th standard guy, college में BSc कर रहे होंगे, suppose, and you have got NCC, Air Wing NCC. You fly planes, वो कहाँ से मिलेगा तुमको, And it's amazing.
Exactly.
And it helps you somewhere in your life. So join NCC.
So Air Force NCC यही अपना
Glidodrome Hadapsar में था ना.
हाँ.
So there they used to teach them flying.
Okay, नहीं, but NCC main office is
No, every state, every city has got lot of.
in Pune, I think there are
Symbiosis College is
Symbiosis College.
Yeah, there it is.
That is the main for all three.
Yeah. But then they have, every colleges will have their own centers. Like Naval NCC
But
was in
many colleges
COAP.
don't have small
May
colleges.
not be, yeah. Like I remember I was in Garware College, MES, but our NCC used to be at COAP.
Okay.
So we
For
used to
naval.
Yeah, for naval. So every
Army
Sunday
was there.
Army was there only in NC, but I used to go to every Sunday. We used to go to COEP and
Oh.
do something there. अच्छा था मतलब so it was good. So I think that's it. That teaches you discipline a lot.
Right. Okay. So, thank you, Giri sir,
Thank you very
for
much.
your fabulous insights
Thank you.
about leadership. We will again record on NLP and every other things.
It will be a
So
pleasure. Absolutely.
it's nice talking to you.
Thank you
I
very
got
much.
fully charged with.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you very
Glad
much.
you liked it and glad I hope the audience also likes
Yes,
it.
yes,
And
yes.
like I said, Zindagi na milege dobara. Enjoy every moment.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank
Yes.
you.